plan coming out here on this job was to climb and tear apart this tree right here, limb by limb, go to the top of it, and then, you know, chunk the rest of it down. Game plan kind of changed. I rolled up this morning and there was some road blocked signs up. I'm like, what's going on right now? And I just got permission to fall this directly across the street. It's gonna be over here. This should be really cool. Let me show you the other two trees real quick. These two are gonna come out too. No growth in them at all. Obstacles out here I can't hit. Building right here. Obstacles over here. So what I'm gonna do is I want to thread both these trees between that light and that parking sign. I want to put them right in that gap right there. And we're probably I'm gonna put a rope in them. We'll pull them over with this loader right here. Got Jake with me. I'm gonna run that. Well, I was gonna wear the monkey beaver harness. I got this brand new monkey beaver harness, custom made with OCP camouflage, operational camouflage pattern, custom on it with my custom military patches, because I still wear them and I'm in the military still. But I'm not gonna wear it today. I'm not gonna be in the harness that long, so I might as well just throw on what I already have prepped. All right, up the first tree I go. I'm just gonna go halfway up this tree and attach a line to it, because it does have this back lean towards this building over here. Wow, my spur's really sinking in. Yeah, it's crispy up top. I'm kind of pulling it against its lean, so that's why I'm putting a rope in it. We're gonna have, oof, that is moving. That top is moving. Watch this, hold on. That sucker's moving, dude.
That's why I don't want to put too much pressure with that thing. Yeah. Because that thing there will pull it up by the roots or bust it in half. Yeah.
Go around the tree, tie my running bowline on it. 3/8 rope, or 10 mil, but it's rated for like freaking 9,000 pounds or something ridiculous. I'm just gonna go up that other tree real quick and set the other line up in it, and then I'll come back and I'll attach it to the cat. This one's crispy too.
Apparently this guy is hollow that they're thinking.
Oh, you saw it wobbling up there.
Yeah, no, that top was pretty nasty.
All right, up the next tree. I can't believe I get to fall this other huge tree into the road. That's gonna be so awesome. Okay, I feel the fatigue. It's kicking in, guys. We're almost there. Woo! That was it. That was all I had in the tank. I'm tired now. Whoop. I already has a stopper knot in it because the end's frayed. Wonder how that happened. Whoop. Just cut the rope. Yep. Send it back. I should probably move the truck because it's kind of in my drop zone. Look, I got a whole 784 miles on this Ram 5500. I should put it right next to the tree since you guys like that so much. So I got both trees hooked up to the loader. I'm gonna follow this one right through here between the sign and this light pole. Yeah, we're spot on. Here we go. Okay, it's ready. Oh, I got into my wedge. Pull a little bit. There it goes. Nailed it. Whew. What a rookie mistake. I got right into my wedge. Look at that. It was barely there. I bought a ton of these though, so whatever. It's consumable. Got a little bridge here now. Yeah, look at this. I feel like a regular logger. Look at me walking across a felled log. This one's next. This one's gonna be in a tighter spot, much tighter spot between this Basically right across the sidewalk right here. All right, so the next one's way more critical. Much smaller drop zone. Shouldn't be a problem. Shouldn't. That was much better. Almost came all the way out. Yeah, that's a little punky. And punky's not good, so that's pretty clean right there, so it should be fine.
The stick has a good bit of back lean towards that building.
I'm gonna snip the top a little bit. Nice open face cut. It's pointed correctly, so let's just see if I can get that back cut to keep that nice even wedge straight across.
Top's just blowing all over the place.
There's a lot of wind. There it goes. Look at that.
Hopefully not on the light. Perfect.
That is dead freaking center. Center.
It's right where we wanted it.
For all the fail videos that I have that you guys love to comment on, don't act like I can't fall a tree. Oh yeah, you make it easy because you have a cat to pull the tree over. Guess what? You still have to nail the face cut. You still have to nail the back cut. There's a lot more that goes into it than just cutting it, than just cutting a tree up.
You ain't got wind like that in Missouri no more.
Yeah, that's awesome. Dude, this wind is kicking right now. I might have to put a rope in this tree because that wind's pushing pretty hard. Look at these leaves. That might get a rope, and I could shoot a line up into it. It's not a problem, and we can pull it over with the cat. He can be way over there. I really wanted to just wedge it just to look like a hero, you know? Who doesn't want to look like that? I'm just kidding. I like to talk crap, but I might put a rope in it. We'll just see what the wind's doing. I'm gonna go up this tree real quick. I said that I would get out one of these limbs that's hanging. It's way up here. I'm gonna shoot a line. A lot of guys ask, hey, I just say guys and girls ask, how do you get your rope up in the tree? Well, I'm gonna show you right now real quick. It might be fast, but at least you'll have an idea. Hey Jake, can you get a video of me shooting my shot?
Shoot it.
All right, I'm gonna shoot my shot. Here we go. Oh, it freaking hit the bottom of the branch and bounced down. So I shot this weighted ball up over a decent limb that I could trust my life on. Now the weighted side's coming down. I'll tie a rope to it and then pull all this back in reverse. The rope will go up the tree, over the limb, and come back down on me. Just feed it in nice and slow. Yeah, just like that. I really like the way you do that, Jake. Okay. Ever so gently.
Ever so eloquently.
And you see I leave a little tail here at the end? That helps it go over limbs. What? I'll probably go up that side because it's a straight shot up. Flop it around the tree.
French knot?
We got pedestrians running through my drop zone. Do you guys see the signs? I have to watch them when we go to fall this tree. They'll be running all right. Okay. Yeah, that's safe. right, so that limb's right behind me. It's this big one right here. Of course, it's gonna hang. Oh god. All right, I gotta cut this limb out that's hanging in the tree. It's pretty snaggy, so let me try to cut off a limb maybe, and the whole weight of the log will take it through. It's worth a shot. Oh, there it goes, maybe. Yeah, there it goes. We got her. I don't want to lift that. Oh, that works. Thanks. "41 inches in diameter here. It's going to be bigger at the base." I'm aiming for the center of that street over there. Looks pretty good. Traditional face cut. That's rare for me. Not bad. Let's check it. It looks right. Yep, that's gonna work, boys. We got a lot of wind, but I'm gonna stack a couple wedges. We're gonna see if I can make this happen. Might go sideways. Got her. Well, I sure did cut that hinge up pretty far. It was actually right here. I didn't cut any of that strip at all. Hey, that worked out pretty well. Let's see the debris down here, the carnage.
The good thing is it's delimbed.
Yeah, it's already delimbed. Lots of carnage. Good reason for removal. Look at that. Completely dead. That was fun, guys. Really fun. I'll catch a couple more shots here, maybe cleaning up and whatnot. But other than that, I'm gonna end the video here. Keep watching if you want to see a little bit more here, but otherwise probably already tuned out since I felled the tree, and a lot of guys do. Go to the next video once that's done. This was fun. Glad you got to see it, and I'll see you on the next one. Hey, why can't all my cleanups be like this? It wasn't too bad at this spot right here. Pretty good wood.